Hello everyone, my name is Syed. Welcome back to my channel Tech Saiga. Today I'm going to discuss a strange but interesting phenomenon of mathematics which I faced around 2 years ago while I was trying to figure out the mathematical representation of my startup company name. The reason why I'm making and uploading a video on it because after 2 years I found the similar thing of this phenomena which is called DigitSum. Right, and why this is strange for me, let's figure out. So as I said that 2 years ago I was doing some calculation and trying to figure out the mathematical representation of my startup company name. So let's see what do I mean by that. So let's assume my company name is Cybraz, CYBRAZE, and let's convert these alphabets into numbers. So C represents 3, all right, and Y represents 25, B represents 2, and so on. So Cybraz is like 3, 25, 2, 18, 1, 26 and 5. Okay, so now we will perform a digit sum on all these numbers. In case if you don't know what digit sum is, so first let me explain. So digit sum of a number, say 142, is just the sum of each individual digits present in 142. It means 1 plus 4 plus 2 is the digit sum of 142. Alright, so 1 plus 4 plus 2 is equal to 7. So 7 is the digit sum of 142. Alright, if the sum of digits is greater than 9, then process is repeated. For example, the sum of the digit for 786 is 7 plus 8 plus 6 is equal to 21. And the sum of the digits for 21 is 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So digit sum of 786 is 3. Hope it is clear. Okay, so now you know what digit sum is. So digit sum of our number 3, 25, 2, 18, 1, 26 and 5 is 8. Simple and easy, right? Okay, so now you can say what's the big deal in that? Yes, the question is correct. It seems there is no big deal, but the answer is no, there is something interesting. So let me show you the interesting part. We did digit sum of all individual numbers, right? Now let's group them and then we will do digit sum. Okay, so instead of 3, 25 and 2, what we did is 32, 52, 18, 12 and 65. So when we will sum them, the answer will come 179. Then we will do digit sum on 1 plus 7 plus 9 is equal to 17. Now then 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. Interesting, right? No? Okay, let's do it in a different way. We will now group them in 3 and 4 digits and then we will perform a digit sum. Okay, so instead of 32, 52 and 18, what we did is 325 plus 2181 plus 265. The answer came, the sum of these number came is 2771. Now we have divided into two parts, 27 plus 21. The answer is 98. Now 9 plus 8 is equal to 17 and 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. Interesting, right? Still not convinced? Okay, so let's make it more interesting and more complicated. Okay, so now we're gonna scramble all these numbers and then group them. Okay, then we will do a digit sum on it. Okay, so instead of 32 or 325 281, what we did is all the number are same, we just scramble them. Okay, so 8 is there, 5 is there, 3 is there, 3 is there, 2 is there, 5 is there, every number is there. You can figure it out on later stage. Now we have already scrambled them. 853 plus 621 plus 5221. The answer came is 6695. Okay, instead of 66 and 95, what we did is 69 plus 65 is equal to 134. Now digit sum of 1 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 8. Now it is interesting, right? So in all these stages the answer will be the same, 8, 8 and 8. Okay, so now let's make it more complicated. Okay, so what we did is instead of directly sum them up, we divided these numbers into some parts. All right, so what do I mean by that is 853, 5221 and 621 was the part of the calculation. All right, so instead of directly digit sum of 853, 5221 and 621, what we did is we divided 853 into two parts. So answer came is 426.5. all right, so we scrambled them again. So 426.5 was a straightforward answer, and we wrote it here, and instead of 426.5 we wrote 5462. All digits are same, only we just scrambled them. All right, similarly we did for 5221. So we divided 5221 into four parts. So answer came was 1305.25. all right, so we wrote it 1305.25, straightforward here. And for this we removed the decimal point, and for this what we did is instead of directly write 1305.25, we sum them up like 130 and 525. all right, and here instead of directly writing the answer, what we did is 130 plus 52 plus 5, so 130, 5, 2 and 5. So answer came is 187. And similarly we did for 621 as well. So we divided 621 into three parts. So answer came was 207. So we wrote it here, and instead of 207 we scrambled the number 270, 207 instead of 720. We remove 0 from them, and the answer came is 27. okay, now we are going to sum them up. So we sum up this column, and this column, and this as well. So all these numbers together make this number. okay, so 139,514.75. all right, you can see if I select all this number, you can see sum is this, sum of all these number is this, and this number is the same. okay, now we are going to digit sum on this number. okay, so 1 plus 3 plus, you can see 1 plus 3 plus 9 plus 5 plus 1 plus 4 plus 0.75. okay, so answer came is 23.75. Again we perform digit sum on 23.75. so 2 plus 3 plus 0.75, the answer came is 5.75. and again we perform digit sum on 57 plus 5, the answer came is 62, and 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. so still the answer is the same, right? So this is the strange thing for me, like whether we are calculating these numbers, whether we are sum them up, whether we are divided them, whether we are scramble them, whether we are group them in different digits, the final answer would be the same, right? And this is not the case for these number only. You can pick any of the number and do this calculation like what I did here, right? And you will be amazed, you will be shocked, the answer is always coming the same, right? So if some of you know like what is this called, we are directly performing digit sum on these numbers, but why this is happening I don't even know. So it was strange for me, so that's how I thought like I should show this to my audience, so that even I can get some knowledge, like if I'm missing something, or if this is not strange for you guys, you can directly ask to your teacher, your mathematics teacher or professor, and let me know what this phenomenon called. okay, thank you so much.